So guys, it is early morning and I'm getting ready to go to work, and I have got a night out tonight which I am really excited to go on. And yeah, I want to show you how I do makeup that's going to last all day and then how I retouch up at night. I'm going to go prep my skin with is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. Because it's daytime makeup, I don't want too much coverage, but I'm just going to go and massage that into my face just like I would a moisturiser, because we can add coverage later on. For concealer, I'm going to go with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Just add the coverage there. Just add coverage where we need it for the day. Now to set some of the areas, I'm going to go with my Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to take that on a little powder brush. And I'm going to go in with the Sculpt and Glow bronzer by Model's Own. And because this is like a cream to powder bronzer as well, I think it just looks softer. I really like. So I put a lot of bronzer on my head because that is where the sun will hit. So I just like to kind of go down the edge of my nose. I don't really want it to look too sculpted. And then I just bring some onto my cheeks as well. Then for blusher, I like to go in with the Pink Spectrum by ZOEVA. I like to fill across my forehead. And then I'm going to go into this one here, which has got a bit of shimmer to it. And for highlighter, I'm just going to go with Mary Luminizer by the BALM. And I'm just going to take my finger and just place it. And then I like to just pop a little bit over the apples of my cheeks. And then moving on to the brows, so I usually just go in with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So for eyes, I'm just going to go in with the NUDE palette. I'm not going to go into any glitters or anything for going to work, because I like to look quite natural. I just like to look very like glowy, just healthy skin and work, and then for going out, like we can add some glitters later on. So I'm just going to go into kind of this mauvey tone down here, which is called Secret. And I just go right in this top corner. And then I'll just take that same shade and run it underneath. Then I have this by INC.REDIBLE You Glow Girl. I think it's such a beautiful jelly, but I'm just going to take just a tiny bit of that and put that just on my lid to create like a kind of like a glossy effect. Then to finish off my brows, I'm going to do the Precisely My Brow. For my lip, I'm just going to go in with the CREME Velveteen Lip Liner in Angel. So then I'll go over the top of that with the CREME Wet Cherry Gloss, and I think this was Naked Cherry. I don't think there's a gloss that smells better than this. Like, these CREME products smell so good, and they taste good too. This is kind of my everyday morning makeup routine, so the next time I will see you is when I'm getting ready to go out. So guys, I've just finished work and I'm going to just use the Huda Beauty palette again and create something a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more glittery for a night out, and I'm just going to be layering on top of what I already have. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and go into one of the darker colours. I'm going to go into Tease. And I'm just going to sweep that underneath as well. With my finger, I am going to go into the shade Daydream, which is this pinky shade right here. And I'm just going to put that straight onto my lid. And then I'm going to put the shade Crave. I'm just going to put that right into the corner. So it's kind of like gold going into pink. Then I'm just going to take a flatter brush like this, and I'm going to go into the glitter that's infatuated. Then with the same concealer that I used last time, the NARS, I'm just going to go back into that and just give myself a wee bit of coverage just in some areas where like some spots have come through. I'm just going to add on a pair of the Ardell Faux Mink Demi Wispy lashes, and then I'm just going to add mascara onto my lower lashes. So guys, that's me completed my night out eye. I'm ready to go for dinner and drinks, and I might take you guys along with me for any touch-ups that I do. So guys, I am out for dinner just now. I have put on this wee top again because it's really, really cold. I'm just going to top up my lipstick. I'm actually going to put a liquid lip on because now that we're eating, it'll probably all wear off, and these have amazing staying power. So I am going to be using the Lime Crime Velvetines. I think it's just a liquid matte in the shade Lulu. We'll go over that with the gloss again, just going to pop that over the top. So guys, this is kind of my signing off because I'm going to just enjoy cocktails and drinks and food. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye!